Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel Times of Janvi. Please, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And for my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you to you guys. Okay, you guys always you guys are the ones that used to support me. I want to say thank you to you guys. I mean, my God will continue to bless you guys in Jesus' name. So today I'm going to make simple jollof rice. Okay? Because I'm not doing anything classic. I'm not doing something premium. I'm not doing anything classic. Just simple jollof rice. You get me? So first of all, we have our rice. Okay. This is our rice, which I'll be washing very well. Okay, if I want to be washing it, we won't be cooking it. We're washing the rice. This is our salt, our oil. Sorry, this oil is looking like this is what I used to do my chin yesterday. You know the way the country is now. Nobody will come and start wasting oil. So no, we have to manage everything we have. You understand? This oil, this one I used to make chin. That's why the face is down. This is my cooked meat. Okay, yes. I don't know why I saying all these things is because all these things because the meat. I don't know. The water was evaporated first, so I have to add another one. Why not? In Igbo they call it a militarata. You get? So this is the meat. I've cooked it. But anyway, if I didn't tell you guys, I'm trying making pepper meat jollof rice. Okay, I'm gonna take you guys through the process. See, if I cook jollof rice and this thing is not there, I don't know what I'm cooking. This party jollof, if it's not there, I don't know what you are cooking. I don't know what you are making. I don't know the taste of the rice. My rice used to be sweet, but since I made this one, it just gave you, I don't know. I can't explain the taste, but it gives a very, very, very nice taste. It gives nice flavor to this thing. So I'm using 3 for this recipe. 3 of the sachet. I don't know whether there's a big, sorry, I don't know whether there's a big this thing for it, but I'm using 3. This thing, hunger for reddening. Okay, I don't think I might even need it since I have my red pepper here. But this hunger for seasoning. Then this pepper onion is for this thing. When I'm going to do this thing, the meat. I'm going to use this pepper, onion, tomato. This is what I'm going to use when I'm going to do the meat. Okay. Then we have our Gino curry. Yeah, curry. So guys, sorry, I already parboiled this meat. Okay, I showed you guys the process, but there was no light then, so I parboiled this meat before. I was not even planning to make this in the video, you understand? But I said, okay, let me just make it. I haven't made jollof rice recipe in my channel before. This meat, now what I added there, I added this thyme. You can see it. I added this thyme. I added 3 seasoning cubes. Yes, that is what I use is Royco. That's I use now, but what I have now is Royco. Look at it. Focus now. Yeah, what I have now is Royco. So I used like 3 of it, and I have 3 left here for the food. Yes, you can see it. So this water now is completely seasoned with thyme, onions, and a little bit of garlic. Yes, for the food. Then also using
please charge.
Sorry for that. We also have garlic. Okay, yes, look at. We're using garlic for this recipe too. Garlic. Yeah, I don't think it will be ginger, but we're going to use garlic for this recipe. Then after it, we have here. We have our onions. We have our pepper. This pepper can be very spicy. I have our long pepper. I use most of them for this thing, for jollof, and most of them for the meat. You understand? So guys, let's just begin with this. For this one, we're going to start. I think this one I'm going to add more water. Okay, and start cooking. I will cook this meat. I add more water to cook the meat. Okay, I need the stock to use and cook the rice. You get me? So guys, this is the meat. I've already added seasoning cubes and thyme, onions, and maybe garlic, a bit of garlic. So I'm cooking the meat now. Remember, I'm making jollof rice. I don't know that it's going to be smoky, but just simple jollof rice you can do. So guys, I'm done. I added the bell pepper, that is the tatache. I added the red pepper. I just added the normal spicy pepper. Then I added onions. Then a bit of what's the name? Tomato sachet tomato. That is the tomato puree. I'm going to add another one. That is this one. I'm going to add our party jollof. One of it here. You understand? So that it can easily, so the taste can incorporate. I mean, I don't know. I know some bit of grammar. Incorporate. I mean, I incorporate or kiniko. So you can incorporate together. You understand? The taste can collab together with this pepper and onions. You get. Then I also add a bit of water and blend it. Okay. So now I just added some water and the party jollof. Okay. I'm going to go there and give this a quick blend. Hello guys. So this is our blended pepper. This is our long pepper, the normal pepper and the onions with tomato paste. That is party jollof paste. Okay, I added it there. So I'm going to be using them. I've already blended and I kept it on one side. This washed rice, guys, as you can see, this rice has been washed. I washed it like more than 8 times. Okay, you have to wash. If you are washing rice, but if you don't want the rice to be soggy, you have to wash it until the water runs clear. Once you pour it in the water, you wash it, then you drain the water out. Continue doing it like that. To repeat that same process until the water, okay, turns clear. Okay, when you put it, the water is just normal. It's as clear. So guys, I'm starting by frying the meat first. Let's fry the meat, guys. This is meat of 1,500. See am. So that by let me fry the meat first. You understand? Then if it requires me reducing the oil, I reduce the oil, not oil, it's oil. Onions we're using today. See guys, I don't usually use much onions, so it's just because this video sake, it's official video sake. That's the thing. If not, even onions are now in the market. Hey. I better go.
We don't stop your crying. It's time to start enjoy the books. The books. They have money and power. Widows no go suffer. The books. The books. We don't stop your crying. It's time to start enjoy the books. The books. They have money and power. Widows no go suffer. The books. The books. Madam, don't cry. Oga don't die, but you're not alone. No. Women supporting women is by your side. The folks will help you. The folks will Madam, your future will be good. This organization will give you support. You will be happy that you are a widow. Makanandi folks will help you. We don't stop your crying. It's time to start enjoy the books. The books. They have money and power. Widows no go suffer. The books. The books. If your husband they don't die, we don't stop your crying. It's time to start enjoy the books. The books. The books will go give you cash. They have money and power. Widows no go suffer. The books. The books. We don't stop your crying. It's time to start enjoy the books. The books. They have money and power.
Afterwards, we pour in our meat stock. Okay, yes, our meat stock. We pour in our meat stock. There's still 1 minute left. Then after meat stock, we stir the rice a bit. There's still 1 minute left inside the meat stock. I forgot. I don't even check. In the meantime, this foil line is not foiling, but I use a foil, yes. Okay, then we cover it up. I let it cook for at least 6 to 10 minutes. You understand? We let it cook for 6 to 10 minutes. This foil, after I don't know how I'm going to explain the work of this foil now for you to make the rice be. So guys, it's some minutes later. Let's check up on the rice. Oh, at this point, I'll start our rice completely cooked. As you guys can see, our smoky is ready. Our smoky jollof rice is ready. I don't know why they say, but pouring in butter, a bit of butter into it, then makes it, give it shine at that. So let's let the butter. So I'll just stir this together to combine. I'll stir them together. I'll still cover it though. It's not as I want it to be. Let it just drain water a bit because according to Flochinelli, stir it there no long time. Okay, so now the rice is completely as I want it now. Look at our below. So now it's time for us to do our pepper meat. I'm using the same pot I used to cooking the rice to do it. Pour in our small meat that we'll have left inside. After that, you just put a small bit of tomato. Just more of the pepper into it. Okay, so that. See, this thing is not supposed to be this smooth. I don't know why. It's not supposed to be smooth. Okay, bit. Something like this don't do. One seasoning cube, but I will not add all safe because it might just be too much. So add a bit, okay? We need salt. I'll just pour in a bit of salt. I'll just turn it. Let it stir. Let it fry for some minutes. Let it cook for some minutes. For at least let's say 2 minutes. Okay. Now let's check back on our food. Oh, so don't burn. Okay, I think it's okay at this time. So it's time for us to break down. So guys, this is our final result. Here is our final result. So guys, this is our final result. You can see it. This is our meat and is our, let me bring it down. Okay, so this is our meat, this is the rice. You guys can see it. Now this is spin that inside. This is what we'll have here. So this is how to cook your simple jollof rice. Okay, without having to break bank or going to market go and buy using up to 100,000 or 50,000 to buy seasoning to just make simple jollof rice. You can just make something that only you can do. Please mind you, the pepper I used to the pepper I blended for the meat was not supposed to be was not supposed to be this smooth. Please and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video to your friends, okay, and family, so that they can also learn how to make this. This is not the like premium way to cook jollof rice, but guys, manage them, okay.